Welcome back to the channel. For this video and this art lesson, we're going to be using our Five Below markers and we're going to learn how to draw Mickey Mouse. A very easy way of drawing Mickey Mouse. And I'm going to show you. Best way to do this and the fastest way to do this is you draw one circle in the middle. Draw the best circle that you can. It's okay if it's not perfect. Don't worry about that. Then we're going to draw another circle. Kind of overlapping. See that? And then another circle overlapping here. And then we're going to draw an oval here. Another oval here. And then we're going to draw a line going this way. And we're going to draw half ovals here. See that? Then we're going to draw one line this way. And going to go up. And then go up again. And another line right here. Then you're going to draw a smile. Then we're going to draw the bottom of the smile. Tongue. Draw a little line here. And then we could put the eyes right around here. See that? And then we can draw a little bubble right here. Another bubble right here. Now the cool thing about all these outlines is that you're going to end up basically coloring them with black, so it doesn't really matter. See that? So you come in with the black here, then this eye right here. This will be a real easy video. Now make sure to subscribe, hit the like and notification bell. So we're gonna go ahead and finish our Mickey Mouse. It's gonna be really quick. It's a very easy little design. We have to get our new setup and everything, so we should be posting even more cool content, so make sure to subscribe. And this is the easiest way to draw a Mickey Mouse. As you can see, it's almost looking pretty cool. And it's all with real easy shapes, nothing too fancy and nothing too hard. So we're gonna go ahead and finish coloring it in. Now what I want to do is I don't want to use my Sharpie for the rest of the color. These are the Five Below markers, the alcohol markers. They're actually pretty good. They're $5, so you can't beat that. So we're going to use the big tip, you see that? And we can basically do more with this without having to use our Sharpie. And it has the little corner tips so you can get into the little, like sharp spots, but you can still color in. And we're going to go ahead and do our full Mickey Mouse all the way around. You see that? Alright, there you go. So this is a fresh set of markers and it's pretty cool. I haven't had any bad reviews that I can say on these Five Below markers. The kids like them. We've been able to do a lot of drawings with them. And they're only $5, so they don't break the bank. So if you want a really good, cheap little marker that lasts for a little bit, this is probably the best way to go. I haven't had any issues with them at all. All right, so once you have your Mickey Mouse colored in right here, you see that? All right, it's looking pretty good, as you can see. All right, then we'll do the other ear. So we're almost there, we're getting there. Okay, kids, adults, parents, anybody watching, just make sure to have fun. Now we're gonna get like a peachy looking color. This set has a really nice peach color. See that? Whoa, that's pretty cool. Okay, I like it. Normally I'm not really happy with the peachy colors because they always tend to be a little too brown or too yellow. This is actually really nice. All right, so once you get the full color in, you see that? All right, it's pretty simple. Remember, we're leaving the eyes white right there. And then we're gonna go ahead and do this part right here. There you go. Now, we're gonna take a little bit of the red. We should have a red, we sure do, right there. Take a little bit of the red right here. And that right there is basically a Mickey Mouse. Now, if you wanted to add a little more to it, all you have to do is take your marker again, and then Now you can make Minnie Mouse. Very easy. You can put polka dots. See that? Put some eyelashes on her. And now you got Minnie Mouse. So you basically changed it from Mickey to Minnie instantly. So that's like a bonus. So if you want to learn how to draw a Mickey and a Minnie or a Mickey, this is the best and easiest, fastest way to do it. And as you can see, it's pretty quick. So make sure to have fun with this art lesson, practice it, and you could do it over and over. And then just remember, you know, once you know how to do this, you can pretty much just do it freehand because it's pretty basic. All it is circles and a couple lines here and there. All right, and there you go. So, all right, well guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to be good out there and take it easy. And as you can see, this is a really nice little Mickey Mouse. So make sure to enjoy the art lesson. Do it over and over as many times as you want. Have fun. If I was going too fast, make sure to pause, rewind. Or you could just rewatch the video. And make sure to check out the other videos because they're actually really cool. All right, guys, be good. Take it easy. Have a fun summer.